going trick-or-treating.
Take two. Yay! Take two! Oh god, I stepped on candy.
Don't tell me.
Sucks for the people who can't go Halloween. Don't say that it's me. Oh, musket! No Boston Terrier.
She's in there making a lot of noise.
Kit Kat. Thank you.
Have a good one, Judy.
On giant chocolate bars.
Yeah.
So, here's another Scrabble, which sucks because I like when people actually give you things because they usually give you more than what you deserve. Butterfingers new! I'll get a Butterfinger for myself. So, there's a kid crawling down the stairs. Oh, look, another grab. So now I'm scared, but we are going to see what happens. Whoa, jumbo size. Oh, there's a bear at this house. Dude, it's a zombie barking. Zombie. Wait, I can't get from the house. There's nothing that. Oh, I'm gonna take two because they're small. They complain about the stupidest one. Bag. Wow, this is a big grab bag. Oh, they are really kind of scary. Those are really creepy. I think I'm gonna walk away right now. Oh, what's his name? Okay, come on, we have to go. Bernard. Whoa, this is such a cool house. So we're going to this house that you see illuminated in the distance. Wait, that's the cat that's gonna eat you in your sleep. I'm gonna touch it. And that is the cutest dog ever. Most friendliest dog ever. Like right now, probably like 9 o'clock. No, probably not even, probably. It's probably like 8:30. So, it's really tired. Sorry we didn't keep you updated, but my camera died. And it just thought it's gonna die very soon. So this might be our last one. We're not gonna film very often now, so sorry. We're gonna skip a house. Bye.